Welcome back to my channel. For today I have 3 really simple, easy, fast turban styles that are my go-to turban styles that I wear often. And I also always get a lot of questions when I wear those kind of styles to film a tutorial on them. So I put these 3 most worn turban styles in this video. So if you want to know how I created these 3 turban styles, then stay tuned. So for turbans, I really like to use jersey scarves. Yeah, I got this one just at a store somewhere in Amsterdam. This one I got from by Aisha. And then this one from AliExpress. So there are so many scarves on AliExpress, I'm gonna tell you. Always get questions where I get my scarves from. And I buy them myself, it's just in stores or on AliExpress. So this is the first scarf that I'm going to use. So I like to wear caps underneath my turbans because turbans really tend to slip off. But with jersey scarves, they stay on a lot better, especially when you're wearing a cap. So I'm going to flip it over, just this little part here. I'm going to turn it around and then lay it on my head like this. And then I have these 2 pieces. And now I'm just going to tie them together. Like this. And then I am going to flatten this out and lay it flat on my head, and I'm bringing it to this side. You can choose what side you like to have the long pieces. Doing the same thing with this side. I'm just going to tie them together again. I'm doing this with the longest piece. And then like this. And this here is the first style. It is super easy, and I can also give you one tip. This also really stays on with swimming. This stays on because you tied it here and here. So this one is also really nice for going to the beach. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this style. I think it looks classy, but it's so simple to do. So this is one of my favorite turban styles. So now on to the next scarf. I'm going to flip it over, especially because this is a really big scarf. And now I want to have one long piece and one shorter piece. I don't like the cap to show up, so I'm going to place the scarf on top of that. And then I'm just going to tie it in the back, making a simple knot. Making sure it's tight. Now the short piece is going to just stay here, making sure that's flat. And this is going on top of my head. First making sure that this side looks nice. Tying it. So this style is the style that I mostly wear to the gym. It stays on really good. So not for taekwondo, not for boxing and those kind of sports. I wear this for fitness. So it's really nice. Super simple, and yeah. And now for the last one, I'm going to go for this beautiful pink scarf. Same thing, I'm again going to just turn it over. This time both pieces can be just the same. Again, I'm going to just tie it pretty tight. And then we have this, and then I'm just going to twist this around the bun. And then the last part, I'm just going to stick it inside of the bun. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Go around. And then stick it inside. And that's it. And that's already it for these 3 super easy turban styles. I hope you guys think this was a little helpful. Let me know if you want to see a specific Okay, specific. Yes, that's the word. Let me know if you guys want to see a specific, no, no. Why am I trying to use really hard words? Specific turban styles, yeah, or hijab styles. Let me know. And then please thumbs up if you liked the video. This really helps me. That's it, and I will see you guys in my next video.